The Fresmol 3-speed air duster. The company sent this to me so I could check it out. It's a really cool air duster here. I like the side display here. It's got a really large display. And then it's also got this feature here. It's got an LED light on the front so you can see where you're blowing the air to. And it lights up the side here. 3-speed, so again, you're just going to long press it here to turn it on. And it's going to go through each speed here. 1, 2, 3. Blows a lot of air. And you just long press it again to turn it off. This is going to replace like the traditional air can that you pick up from like an office supply store. This is just rechargeable here with a USB-C cable, so you don't have to keep buying the compressed air cans. This works great for keyboards, cleaning, things like that. I like using this for cleaning. We have like the honeycomb blinds where some insects get in there sometimes, or some lint. You just put this on here and it's going to just basically work its way out without having to get the insect or the lint, where it's not going to like pick up any debris on there. Just going to blow it right out of the blinds. But this is just really great for cleaning, car detailing, things like that. But Fresmol is a really great brand here. They did a really great job on this air can and highly recommend checking it out.